Hi folks, hope you're doing good. So today's recipe is going to be, yes, you're right, drumstick and potato sambar. It is a great lunch and dinner recipe had with hot rice and ghee. So let's begin with the ingredients now. So in a medium pressure cooker, I've taken in tomatoes, onions, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, washed tur dal and water. Also, in an empty vessel, I'm adding in the vegetables, the drumsticks, and the potatoes, placing it on top of all the ingredients that I mentioned before, carefully covering the lid and allowing the pressure cooker to cook for 3 whistles. Later, I'm keeping the vegetables aside, also draining the water aside and mashing the rest of the ingredients into this form. So let's start cooking. So in a deep bottom pan, I'm keeping the flame to medium. I'm adding in some oil, mustard seeds, dry red chilies, curry leaves, just mixing it well, and once they start to splutter, I'm adding in that cooker water. Also the mashed up ingredients. Also I forgot to mention I have soaked in 1 lemon sized tamarind. So I'm straining the water from that and adding it to this. After that we add in the sambar powder and the salt. Also I'm adding in some ghee. We allow this to boil for about 10 minutes. After that, we add in the vegetables and allow that to boil for about 2 minutes. Okay. So after that, you can turn off the flame and enjoy this tasty vegetable sambar with hot rice and ghee. Trust me, it is a very yummy lunch and dinner recipe. Try out this with your family and do comment below how the recipe came out. So let's meet next time with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.